Hi everyone and welcome back to a new live stream in our channel Order Flow with Ethan. So I didn't see you guys in a while and it's so great to see you once again in this amazing channel and discuss everything about the order flow with you. So welcome and let's see what today holds for us. I don't think it's going to be a great trading week because this is the last week trading this contract. So this is the last week, okay? So we have 5 more days trading this contract and then we will have to switch to the June contract, okay? So sorry, to September contract, okay? So June is near and yes, basically as you guys know, when summer is near, trading becomes slower. I don't know why, but I think all those rich institutionals just go and enjoy their vacations and meet their family and enjoy their life for a while away from the charts. So you might see that soon enough the let's say in general the chart would feel less volatile, I suppose. So it's been less volatile last week. That's mainly because this is the last week of the contract. People are just settling their contracts down and they stop trading them, okay? So people just start selling their contracts, and yes, it doesn't really mean the market would go down, but they're just settling them. That doesn't mean it's selling them, okay? So that's a different thing. So we just hope that we would still have some benefit to get from this day trading. So we're just gonna see what this day holds for us, and maybe it's gonna be a good trading day, okay? So I suppose it's going to be a good trading day for us. And yes, what do you guys think? If you got any questions, you can just let me know in the comment section. So welcome everyone, welcome to this great live stream where we trade the S&P 500 together on live. So everything here is transparent. You can see all my trades and you can also just take them, okay? You can also take those trades and just trade them if you want. Like, this is the main reason we have these opportunities here. So how are you guys doing? How was your weekend? I hope you stayed away from the chart for a while to chill and rest for a bit. So let's see what this week is holding for us. I hope we would just at least not lose money, because every time it's we're near this zone, I prefer to stay away from the market. But as right now I have to live trade every week as I promised to you guys. There is no way I can do it. So this is why I hope this trading day would be great for you and me. So I suppose it's going to be a good day though. Like, I suppose it's going to be a good day trading. So we're just going to see what the market is holding for us, and then hopefully the result will be great. So if you guys got anything to say, you can just let me know in the comment section. I really like to see all your comments, guys, and I hope you guys would enjoy your time with us here. So you can just let me know in the comment section if you have anything you want to say. Just let me know and I'll be very happy to help you guys understand how this whole world of trading works, okay? So if you have any problems, you just started trading, you have no idea how this works in general, just let me know. And yes, I'm here to answer all of your questions. So how's everyone doing? How was your weekend, everyone? So as you can see, the volume is quite low. Actually, the volume is low this time. It's not like we used to have it, but it's okay, it's all right. We're just trying to see. If there is no position to take, we are not going to take it. We're just gonna wait for the market to get better, and then, only then, maybe take a position. But for now, we are just gonna wait and see what's gonna happen first, then maybe take a trade later. So if you guys have any question or anything you want to tell me, just let me know in the comment section, and I will be very happy to answer all of your questions, guys, okay? So as I said before, do not just go and trade in every market you see. If the conditions are not good, then the best thing you would do is to stay away from the market, because you never know what is actually happening in there. It's just a market going up and down, back and forward, and it doesn't mean that you should take all the trades that are shown in the market. So welcome everyone, welcome guys, and thank you so much for joining this live stream once again. And as I said, if you got any questions, the comment section is there. You can just ask me whatever question you have, and yes, I would be very happy to answer all of your questions, everyone. Okay. So now we're just gonna wait for a while, see what the market will do first. And yes, as you can see, the volume is quite low. So this is what I meant. And the volume and the market just start being volatile in a way that you cannot comprehend, okay? So as I previously mentioned in one of my videos where I was talking about why the market is uh, quite not really great. Well, you can just see that when the volume is low, the market just does whatever it wants. So don't just take every trade you see, just wait. As you can see, the volume is quite um, unfamiliar. It's going up and down, and it's not doing something very special. So the best thing you would do is to wait for it to get better and then take a position later. But now, as the market is still not doing perfect stuff, don't just trade it. So if you guys got any questions, just let me know in the comment section, okay? Let me know. That will be very happy to answer all of your questions, everyone. So thank you, and welcome to this live stream. And yes, as I said, the volume is not really that perfect. It just does some stuff, and it's not really something that you trade, okay? So the market would give you positions to go up. So, for example, it would show you that the market, maybe you see signals that we normally think that would make the market go up, but in the end, it just goes down, and you just say, "Oh, what's wrong with this market? Why is it behaving in such a way? Why is the market not doing the things it used to do?" Well, the main reason is when the market is not so volatile, you can never guess what's going to happen next. Sometimes it's going to go up, sometimes it's going to go down. So the best thing you can do is to actually wait for it to get better, wait for the market, see if there's volume. If there's no volume, the best thing to do is to not trade. So globalization had made the culture more visible and connected to the world, while also bringing outside influences into daily life. Through tourism, media, and migration, traditions like cuisine, music, and crafts have gained international recognition and appeal. At the same time, globalization has introduced global fashion, technology, and lifestyles, especially in cities that create a blend of modern and traditional culture where it preserves its identity while adapting to global trends. Globalization helps expand exports, attract foreign investment, and create jobs. It also brings technology transfer and supports industrial growth, making the economy more competitive and diverse. So, um, it uses diplomacy as a key tool to strengthen its role in the global economy. It also maintains strong relations with all the countries, helping expand trade and investment opportunities through active international cooperation and partnerships. It also improves its economic ties, attracts foreign investment, and increases its global influence. It is a key destination for foreign investment thanks to its strategic location and its stable economy. It offers free trade agreements and investor incentives that attract global companies. Major investments go into automotive, aerospace, and manufacturing, and also renewable energy, with firms like already operating there, which makes it an important regional production and export hub. So, the tourism industry is experiencing record breaking growth, with nearly 20 million tourists visiting in 2025, marking a 14% increase year over year. As, a, as it's the top tourist destination, the country is rapidly approaching its goals to accommodate a surge in popularity, especially with the upcoming multi-hosting of the global goal of hosting 30 million tourists yearly by 2030. So, its performance in 2022 marked a historic moment as it became the first African country to reach the semi-finals. This achievement increased its global visibility, strengthened its international image, and boosted tourism, media attention, and cultural influences. It also showed how global events like the World Cup connect countries through sports globalization, soft power, and international recognition. It will also co-host the World Cup, making it the first African country ever. Reflects the growing global importance and strong integration into international sports, tourism, and infrastructure. The event is expected to boost foreign investment, tourism, job creation, and global visibility, further strengthening its role in globalization. It also returned to into 2017. Since then, it increased its economic and political influence across the place. It promotes cooperation, focused on partnerships between developing countries, and expanded in banks which are operating in more than 20 countries and finance major businesses and projects. It present in 10 African countries with tens of millions of customers across uh, the place. So it also build roads, housing, hotels, and infrastructure project across the place and connects the country to more than 30 destinations, helping trade, tourism, and business between Africa and Europe. It also wants to position itself as a bridge between Africa and Europe. So it made the culture more and more visible, as I said before. So as I said, if you guys have any question for me, you can just let me know in the comment section. And as you can see here, the market is still not really doing something that would really make it shown in the global place. So we should just wait and see what the market is going to do next before um, doing anything. So as you can see, it's still not really moving up or down. It's just a normal market with no real information. So we just have to wait and see what's going to happen next. So if you guys have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be very happy to answer all of your questions. So thank you guys, thank you so much for watching this live stream. And as you can see, that I didn't see any good position that we can take yet because the market is really not so volatile. It's just going up and down and not doing something special. So we should just wait and see what's going to happen next before taking any position. So if you guys have anything you want to tell me, just let me know in the comment section. I'm waiting for your comments. You can just let me know, and I am here to answer all of your questions. So as of now, there is nothing special that's happening here. It's just a market that's going up or down and nothing too serious. So this was one position that we missed. We actually missed this one. We've had the trap trader set up in here. So that was a good setup, okay? That was a good one. So as you can see, the volume is quite lower than we always have, and this just makes it very, very hard to trade, to take any trade. When the market is not doing something special, it's very, very hard to actually just go and take a trade randomly. It just tells you that it's very, very not great to do it. So if you guys want to let me know anything, just let me know in the comment section, okay? So don't be shy, just let me know in the comment section, and I will be very, very happy to see all of your comments. Just let me know, what do you think of today's market? Did you take a trade yet? Because I couldn't catch mine yet. I missed one. I didn't see it actually when it happened, and I missed it. So I'm just waiting now to see if there's any better opportunity in the market before taking any trade. So what do you guys think? Do you have anything you want to say? Do you have any question for me? Do you have anything you want to add? Just let me know in the comment section, okay? So if there's anything you want to tell me, just let me know, and I will be very, very happy to answer all of your questions. So as of now, the market is still not so volatile. So I'm just waiting for it to get better before taking any trade. So what do you guys think? How do you feel about this market today? So till now there is nothing special that happened. It's just a market that's going up and down. Nothing too serious. We just have to wait and see what's gonna happen next before taking any trade. So if you guys have any question, you can just let me know in the comment section, okay? So because till now it's just not doing that job as it should be doing it. So we have to wait first and see what's going to happen before taking our trade. So if you guys have any question, anything you want to add, just let me know in the comment section, okay? So now we'll be just waiting for the market to give us a good trading opportunity. I see that we had so many stacked imbalances today, right? What do you guys think? There were so many stacked imbalances in today's market. But the problem is, if you go and follow one, when the market is showing low volatility signals, it just tells you that maybe you should pay attention, because you can never know what's going to happen next when you're trading. So what you should do is pay real attention to the market, and don't just take any position you see in front of you. Just make sure you take those perfect setups only, because if you go and take all those setups, trust me, it's going to be a bad thing. So just try to stay low key. Don't just go and trade all the setups you see in front of you. Try to take good positions and try to wait for the market to show you signals before taking your trade, because if you just go and trade every setup you see in front of you, that's going to be a very, very big problem. So if you guys have anything you want to add about this market, just let me know in the comment section, okay? So as I said, just look at it here. Uh, it's quite not very perfect, but it's still doing the job it is supposed to do. So we just have to wait for some time and then take our trade later when the positions are perfect. But till now, it's still going up and down. Nothing too great about this market. So we just have to wait and see what's gonna happen next before taking any trade. So I suppose we should just wait for the market to get better and then maybe take our trade later when the market gives us better trading opportunities. So as I said, we should just wait and see what the market is going to do before taking our trade. So what do you guys think? Do you share the same opinion with me? Do you think that the market is quite unbalanced today and we should just wait for it to get better? Or should we just go all in and take our trade right now? Because till now I see that it is quite not so um, perfect. So it's doing stuff that it's not supposed to do, and that's why I suppose we should pay attention when taking the trade. So what do you guys think? If you have anything you want to add, just let me know in the comment section, okay? So if there's anything you want to tell us, just let me know, and I will be very, very happy to answer all of your questions. So yes, till now, like it's a crazy day. I didn't take any trade at all. Like I didn't see any good setup for me to take a trade because I'm certainly not taking a trade when I see such volume. So I told you that my risk management is very high. I don't really tolerate taking risk while trading. So because if I take a position which I'm not sure, I just feel like gambling. And when I do so, I enter in a state where I cannot stop gambling. So what I do is to just stop from the beginning. Never gamble, never guess. So if you don't see a real setup, there is no need for you to get in that market. Just wait for it to get better and then take your trade later. If it's not really showing you that this is the time to take your trade, well, that just means you should not be in the market. So just wait and see what's gonna happen next before taking any single trade in the market. So if you guys agree with me, just let me know in the comment section, okay? So if anyone agrees here, just let me know. So now I'll be just waiting for this market to get better and then maybe take my trade later. But till now there is nothing perfect about it. It's just going up or down and nothing too serious about it. So I just wait. I'll just wait for it to get better and then maybe take my trade later. So what do you guys think? Do you have any question? Do you have anything you want to say? So till now, as I said, oh, so many balances happened today. So we have went from a very high opening to 7,415. Yes, I don't know what exactly happened in this market, but we should just wait and see what's going to happen next if we want to take another trade. So we just have to wait and see what's going to happen if you want to take another trade today. But till now, the positions are not so good, okay? So the market is quite so unbalanced and it would be very, very hard to take a trade right now. So the best thing to do is just wait and see what's happening before taking another trade. So if you guys agree, let me know in the comment section, okay? Oh, yeah, it's moving so fast. I think news are coming, and the volume is quite low. Like when you see 4 and 7 in the S&P 500, if you're taking that position, trust me, you are gambling. So just look at how many charts we've had in the last minutes, how many candlesticks, and they're all a flow of volume. So if you're taking a trade now, you are a gambler. Don't say I'm trader. Just you can just say I'm a gambler. That's all. If you say you're a trader, trust me, um, you are just you're just lying to yourself. So the best thing to do is to wait and see what's going to happen next in this market before taking your trade. So what do you guys think of today's market? Do you think we should stop trading till the new contract is on? Or what should we do? Because if we trade in this time, trust me, we're making a big mistake if you're gambling this time. I'm not calling it trading, I'm calling it gambling. Because if you gamble, if you trade in this time, you are just a gambler. So just wait and see what's going to happen first before taking any single trade in this market. So hopefully it's gonna get better soon. So hopefully it's going to get better soon, or else there is no way to take a trade. So this is what I like about myself. I don't take all the trades the market shows me. I only try to take those perfect setups where the market actually gives you good good trading opportunities. Or else there is no need to take a trade if the market is not really stable. So in such a way, just wait for it to get better first. Do not just go and trade every setup you see in front of you. Just make sure you take those perfect setups only, okay? So if you go and take setups that don't make sense for you, trust me, that's going to be a very, very big mistake that you make. So make sure you only take those that are really worth it. Only good trading setups. Or, as I said, you're going to be entering a zone that you could never leave. So just wait. Oh, so Diaz here. Diaz here. Welcome, Dix. Welcome, welcome. Where are you right now? Did you finish the professional enthusiastic game that we call football that you had before? So he said that Japan uses piezoelectric floor tiles to harvest kinetic energy from pedestrian foot traffic and convert it into usable electricity. I've heard about this setup before. They call it the Reels algorithm, diatology, Dixdia, Japan electricity, electrified way of making things. That's one of the greatest things that were ever invented in the world. So congratulations on knowing about this setup. But I didn't ask you, what did Japan do actually? I didn't ask you. Like, who asked you? Wait, where are you now? Just let me know, where are you? I'm so freaking tired. Like I made a very big mistake for staying awake till 10 a.m. That was a very big mistake. But it's okay. It was a good. Oh, okay. But just to let you know, it wasn't created in the early 90s. It was created back in 1860. So 1860. That's where. That's when the this thing was created. So are you close? I can pick you up from the incredible station that we call, you know what we call it? 100 think long. Do you want to eat? Do you want to eat something? What do you think? I have some chicken in the fridge. I just need to clean it and. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Salon de thé. Oh, of course, baguette dorée. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Of course, of course. The golden bread. Who doesn't know about it? Who doesn't know about that? Are you hungry? Do you want to eat something? Oh, so look at how the market is moving. Crazy, crazy, crazy. That is why I said do not take a trade. Oh, oh, okay. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Congratulations. It must be smelling very, very good in the transportation mode that was created in the early 90s that's called subway or metro. Okay, okay, that's interesting. Well, if I arrive, I think you'll arrive soon. Yes, of course, of course. I want to meet you later when I finish. Just go and eat your jollof rice. I'll just bring some bread. The bread, you know, from those guys, the new Jian. Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah, okay. I'll try to come pick you up. I'll try to finish early to come pick you up. I will leave in like 10 minutes maybe, and I will need 10. So I'll be there in 20 minutes. So I think I can still pick you up then. So as I said, I'll just I'll just bring some bread, you know. That's it. I don't have appetite to eat a lot. I'll just bring that bread and go eat it. Oh, he was in the middle school. Wow. Wow. Damn. Your dad is a good one. He's a good one. He's a good one. He's a great guy. Does he use uh, s- piezoelectric floor tiles to harvest a kinetic energy from pedestrian foot traffic and convert it to usable electricity in middle school or not? Oh, okay. What about? Yeah, yeah, yeah. What about Dixdia? What about Dixdia? Oh, okay. Japan uses. I see. That's interesting. That is so interesting. Like I'm really, really shocked right now. I don't know what to say. I have no words, no comment into this magnetic electropsedophile situation that you're talking about. That is really something that you don't see every day, especially with Red Laqab. Brother, the place I went to yesterday was crazy. I mean, yeah, technically it was today. It was worth it though. It was worth it. I went with some nice people. Like we stayed there. We listened to old Moroccan music and Algerian and also Arabic music, and it was a good vibe. So we just chilled there. We were sitting in a place, and we had a great view of the city, and we enjoyed our time there. There's also a store where, I mean, it's very, very different. We need to go there. Maybe we can even go tomorrow. If we are free at the afternoon, we can go there. Oh, yeah, yeah, we can still go there tomorrow. It's not too far. It's like I did 15 minutes on the way to get to our place from there. So it's not really that far. Like 12 kilometers, I suppose. So this is it, guys. We didn't take any trade today because the market is quite unstable. So Dia, I will tell you goodbye so I can still come pick you up. Goodbye and see you later. So thank you guys. Welcome to this live stream. Thank you. We're going to end now because as you can see, the market is quite not so volatile and it's very hard to take a trade now. So goodbye and see you all later.